Hi, welcome to the artwork video for section 1, lesson 1. This is the artwork video for the back cover word collage. So the word we've got going today is design. So I'm hoping I'm recording the same as I did the other artwork video. So we're just gonna dive into it. I think we're gonna kind of go with the theme that we were doing for the front cover picture of like a sunset somehow in the word design. So if I can spell, let's just do I'm just doing this so I spell it correctly first. I'm going to pray really quick. Lord, guide my hand as I design this artwork for the cover, the back cover. Holy Spirit, come, fill this place with your talent and ability, because you know I'm me. Oh. I honestly think it would be really cool. I don't think I want to use the paint unless I just did like, I'm just making sure you can see. I think I'm gonna just do the strong outline on it, and then just go from there. I don't want to use the paint, but maybe we can just do like we did with the sun, or like the clouds, with just like a hint of color in the letters. I don't think the back cover needs like crazy art, you know. It just needs to be because it's going to be a lot of words together all over the place. So I think it'll get its design from that. And I'm just kind of going a little out of the lines, because why not? Did I spell this correct? I'm a horrible speller, so without word I'm lost. Oh, interesting. Just has a mind of its own, apparently. I don't know why I did the pencil. All of a sudden it's just gonna look funky. Design, okay. I think we're gonna put the sun in it, maybe? With like the jaggedness across the bottom to kind of keep in sync. And maybe, I don't know if I want to do the rays or not. Too late now. Just do the rays. I think the key to being obedient, 1, 2, 3, 4, being obedient to the Lord to do anything, even like if you're a songwriter, or if you're an artist, or if you are preaching, whatever you're doing, you just give it to the Lord and let the Lord really just take it and run with it. Let God be part of the process too. That way, He can give you His skill and His talent. I'm not saying it's going to be like perfect, like the best the best thing you've ever, people aren't going to be like, oh, wow, this is, I mean, they might, who knows. So what are we doing? I think we're going to do blue for the design. We're going to just do like I said, like a hint of color on the words. We don't cover up the black lines much. I don't want to cover up the black lines, so I'm going to do my best to just give like a hint, which is easier said than done. Trust me, these markers are interesting, but God's purposes are, and maybe the purpose of all of this really isn't, I mean, all of this is for one person anyway, so I don't have to worry about like the masses watching these videos and being like, oh, maybe he shouldn't go to art school or should go to art school. But I don't think the perfection of the art is the point of this. I think it's more of just the obedience part is, are you willing to make yourself a fool? Being unknown and being foolish in the world's eyes so that God can be lifted up and glorified through what you're doing. It's kind of interesting too, because angels are watching this. Probably like, Lord, what is this guy doing? I'm like, well, I don't even know. All right, so are we doing yellow or are we doing orange? I think we're doing, we did yellow in the sun, didn't we? Just do some yellow peeking through. I think that's a great thing too. Like I've loved this process with the books because God's really taken away the perfection of it. Like I read some of the books and there's like words that are out of place or misspelled, and I think about like nobody in their right minds like would publish books with so many flaws in the English language in the books. And I'm like, but God just wants me to like focus on just being obedient and not worrying about stuff like that, because none of us are perfect, and the book series isn't about perfection anyway. If it was about perfection, like no one's going to be perfect. I feel like reading some of these books that people put out, it's like they're so perfect in everything they say and they do, and makes it hard to relate to. I'm not perfect. I struggle every day with my weaknesses and with I get depressed, and I get, I go through my little sins that I struggle with every day that I just have to give to God and trust that He's gonna give me the grace to overcome those things. And in a lot of ways He has, because I'm not the same person. Oh gosh, I got blue all over me. You still see it? Yeah. So anyway, being imperfect in the world's eyes, but precious in your Father's sight is just, and because I know God's watching this, I'm just so pleased with my obedience, making a fool of myself here a little bit. That looks cute. Okay, let's call that a day. All right, so our very first word. Oh, a little bit more blue in there. It's funny because I think I was thinking of these videos for like a week, like, Lord, what are they going to be like? And then you get to the videos and it's like, I could have never pictured what this stuff was going to be like, what in my mind, in God's mind. But I think I like it. Okay, so our first word is design. That's going to go, maybe a little blue down here. A little bit of blue. Okay, so that's our design. So I can put this stuff away when I'm not recording. All right, well, thank you for watching. This is the art work for the back cover of part 83, Wide Eye and Wonder. So yeah, and you'll see the artwork. It'll be everywhere. So thanks for watching.